Ma me fada say ma PENDREAM TV there osia dem yopo
ensem bebre akoso ma mema ayikitwa bi a ekoso bi se mo be kaya ebra ne ye Dr. Dominic Ayinde in vetting our parliament na NPP member of parliament for Swamin lawyer John Dako na wo busebusa Dr. Dominic Ayinde ensem bi na Ghana for yen sheda ntiase because ni yen sheda nimti ni ntiase yi na wo say Dr. Dominic Ayinde legal practitioners were lawyer na we lawyer ma company be a friend of Cassius Mining Company Limited no Australian company and na ebra John Mahama 1 Ulusu Power 2016 no he said they were the man in Ibrahim Mahama after losing elections no somewhere December 2016 and what the Oman a friend is a lease prospecting lease what the man Cassius Mining for the say or more unconquered prospecting gold our talent see her baby I think around talent see her baby it's among kwaye omomo 2 years a MPP buy no a drew 2019 na 2 years drew ye no na Cassius Mining for air per renewal and almost say idea we kwa the mamono illegal because anko parliament a international contract because we Australian company it's like a parliament and sana presidency edit say ashasi it's anko parliament the illegal it's 2 years no mo wia mon komba bi ye fema mo bi and no mo see you omukọ ya na Dr. Dominic Ayinde LED omomomukọ international arbitration omukọ ka asem no wa manone London na MPP advice dey bi ade we die ehwe aso yenya ne sa etomo ne ko back and forth sa ebra Dominic Attorney General Gofredame ebaye ya asem no arbitration was dey bi won tiase and o de ko high court what they call high court no na okosiki high court injunction say ye be call arbitration ewa man nti asem no ho de asem be betra ka fa hu bia na say ka ne Ghana instead say be call amanoni indeed a high court no so a grantee injunction no that time no na Cassius Mining for pay $275 million muntie $275 million and na Cassius Mining for na almost say Ghana for ebumra so nte Ghana ban entuama wo mo enti ka sa se say yetimi kan Ghana no Cassius Mining for no wo ma ani asem na chibi enti sambe kaya ora John Dako lawyer na wo busa Dominic Ayinde say na wa ba be lawyer obe lawyer pani ama oman Ghana no Cassius Mining for so teten mantwa hanwa ka say omonya ban e wa asem ka omonya ban e wa asem ka elunti no se Cassius Mining for asem na konko ho no eba why omo lawyer omatua wo katwisi die na ene oba be lawyer panyi ama oman Ghana no wo lawyer ati hifa ne beko enu aka o da bi se mayi mi ho afiri mu dada eti minim ho hwe me da bi mayi mi ho afiri mu dada na private yi se mba be legal advisor to the government intino wakika brofo kama me no wakasa sisi and 15th April 2026 me nyane ntie ya megidi say March num Cassius Mining for asa the assembly arbitration won Kenya mu biem ama first na ko musiki $275 million no afei de almost say aban entomuka $905 million almost $1 billion muteni you ebra MPP ho no na almost say aban ebetu omuka $275 million MPP efra aban mu no afei de omako Kenya assembly say die aban eso otu omuka $905 million and I'm also reliably informed to say assembly by June this year no more cancel navy. The question is Dr. Akurutinga Ayinde Dominic say na Cassius Mining and now your lawyer no ya wo ba vet ye busa questions bebre wo ho na wo ka say and then asabra beto wo na so omudi ye international arbitration biem sa for mu demand $905 million. What happened to the High Court injunction now? A slap on them say omoti fa asem na enko land me nku na say bibia wo ho a ye ka no my Ghana. What happened to it? Ibedi di ho enkomo yakọ enim ibedi ho enkomo etia no e wo ho no abraho se bi ko so parliament na meme nka ne kese me nya lawyer but me video bi ho be 2 minutes video bi ho ma that's better as me bo asan that's be ko partners say enra leader of the mighty minority osahene Alexander kwam no afejo market e jane naso e wo court Circuit Court 9. Is that the most popular court in Ghana now? Circuit Court 9, any Adenta Court. Circuit Court 9, Adenta Court. What the Yankoma? Now you say you charge Baba Mandu, you call court. And now your lawyers. Or sign the Moseo. You my branch any bill. As a investigators in Yana or Baba. And investigator and say, oh, me support ye. Me hian se me hiana me friend amadaba judge ni se ube hian was now is that wo kwere there was me kwa forensics be forensics now kwere be take be how long was e be 6 weeks was okay now with these 6 weeks no ube hian abrante no ana and was my lord me hian no nemu me hiana me to me sa friend amadaba was wo to sa friend amadaba there any man me man nkoshim me na dem prosecutor no enka say wo oppose to bail application no minti bida mi hu bida a situation whereby the prosecutor does not oppose a bail application yet a judge decides to keep somebody in custody o ma Ghana wo yenhwe yi na assemble kwa no aye yese wakofa LGBT menya LGBT colors colors yedim ni wiase dada rainbow colors red gold green yellow ni adade ye no an wo wiase LGBT beto sa colors no wiase so they cannot appropriate those things those colors to themselves yeni atibi ase ayeso ye gidisi ye straight people no ye ntimi allow masa nkofo we mu people who call themselves queer they call themselves queer. We will not allow them say omo queer people no and colors ne say omo dia it will be say omo the colors ne ahyenkofo bi obi de say Sam George Felix Kwachofusu na ye say ye dia ahye omo taade e wo social media ade aba social media several days after answer na ye friend saying baba mandu enso e post to be ye no ti ache no to ye so nkodem na otwemi na me wo ho na President Mahama said there were ejudwam membi ni said there ejudwa na me yo said dem dem so me di me nkomo President Mahama etro krata Eric Pacho so ho no mo a edro na dwon krata na me de ma ma kenkan wo Ghana nti misrew sa fato so misrew pa sa fato so na yekenkan krata na President Mahama a troko man na adodanko kufuata brand wo ye president no 11 February 2022 and President Mahama then opposition leader Mahama a tro sakrata no is Eric I don't know say what that so what dia uni a mesa e dia maw na yahwe because ye ade a me pese dis akọ ni yenhu the hypocrisy ya e wo ho no mo a sesi yetimu President Mahama kache na Nakufuado said Nakufuado and na me ye chichi and centralfo and afedie war criminalize speech say die wo kasa wo maga na mu a na Nakufuado say police for encho ne fa won to prison sana President Mahama e kache na Nakufuado and then baba mando susu dola di good man eni me dase papa me dase was say Mahama writes appeal letter to Akufuado on criminalization of speech in Ghana February 11th, 2022. Dear President Nana Akufuado, John Mahama writing, was I am appalled at the growing criminalization of speech and journalism in Ghana under your watch in this 21st century. An investigative journalist was murdered under very troubling circumstances. Yet, while the Ghanaian people and the international community have demanded justice, government's inability or unwillingness to act is obvious to all. The police have virtually shelved the investigations into this brutal murder. Interestingly and worryingly, as some way an President Mahama Eka or Chohon Krate, Ameswali ya ukofobia udifo bikokuno. Was say you should require you busy basa ye hunu ye na HSF Ekufuado and Yanado Sas Rubushim. Mahama Beye President ye is FM President Mahama. Asamono watwatwene wa man attorney general kokko to say asana hu nya biem because ye hwa ye hu achi eti Ghana ni bia remfi yentu adwim asi aboduam asamna pascal ye busa forompa omunkosu enie yentu aso pacho yanko next page yanko next page edemo na say yitwatum aba. Okay, was it there have also been several disturbing incidents of harassment of journalists in the line of duty. We have witnessed media establishments closed down on your instruction. We have witnessed media establishments closed down on your instructions, despite many appeals to you. President Mahama, then opposition leader, Nana Akufo-Addo, the sitting president, they say, radio stations, Ghana TV stations, Yatu Muninano, Nana Akufo-Addo, and a man express orders here. We are also saying it here live today, 15th April. Our movement TV say, won't be radio 5.9, won't be Kumasi, won't be Takwa de Yatumuno, and yeah, a friend saying, other friend Sam George. I am President Mahama, and now one express order say, young too because you're criticizing. The letter true in was it now in the space of less than 2 weeks, 4 people have suffered police action criminalizing their right to free speech. Goodness. And their calls Baba Amando and your police action. Are you not criminalizing his free speech? Was it as Attorney General at the time who led the repeal of the criminal libel law in order that citizens could freely express their views? It is unconscionable to be suppressing the rights and criminalizing the speech of citizens and journalists. It is even more worrying when the power of the state is used as a pliant tool in this intimidating endeavor. This is John Dramani Mahama writing to President Akufo-Addo in 2022. Sir. Yankwe. Next page in Shadi. Was the radio and TV presenter Captain Smart was dragged from court, and although he had been granted Mameto to Aswa, was it as if to suggest insincerity behind the serious decriminalization of speech that you led. Another radio presenter, Bobie Ansa, has been arrested, detained, and charged, criminalized for speaking and making allegations against your wife. Meanwhile, Bobie Ansa can still be making allegations against then First Lady of the Republic, Mrs. Rebecca Akufo-Addo. Emma or logic police complaint. Emma yet Mahama say one tea be that. Na say will be trouble be say ya. And now be can be say fa ho a ade abeya ne say wo betima si ni pakro wo betima si ni pakro no and you state apparatus and you state security say yankwache no. What is happening now? You see the hypocrisy and the dishonesty on the part of the president. We have to ask you the speech. You the speech na mention ade. Was say again last week, security personnel linked to your party brutalized a radio presenter and producer in the city of Takoradi. Such lawless attacks have today become common occurrences in our country. President Akufo-Addo, you cannot continue to oppress Mutio. President Akufo-Addo, you cannot continue to oppress the people. Criminalize speech when these matters are essentially civil in nature if you feel offended by them. And it is a Baba Mando up at the pictures at Twabontin, next a gay colors and Muslim Tiasia, and then Namunsi Womo. This is clearly a civil matter, not a criminal matter. But because this is a tyrant government, you know, and now we say, obey me, I stretch the definition of a civil matter, no, a criminal matter, to a stretch it, we and was say, a cause of fear and panic. A cause of fear and panic, we have. Or say, when these matters are essentially civil in nature, if you feel offended by them. It is even more but medasi pa medasi. It's where a crata John Dramani Mahama at Chokoma and Nekufuado 2022. Someone who said President Mahama Ojidi. He has all the characteristics of a tyrant. He has all the characteristics of a corner man. But I think Obekebia when he saw a Bruce Obedi one watching home said his responsibility. San what here? He always check his responsibility. Mabo video be at OCCA. President Mahama then candidate. One of my one take catch a Ghana for nurse for say. Ayi agenda 111 hospitals no obe completed na. They said they be oba nursing students na automatic recruitment. And the health minister akando no akogina ho ana wo hwa akando pana say the was e kasa chechre ne ho wo hwe no pa wunhu no wo jaba wo hwe bo pa wunhu no e chechre ne ho. Say, you may not like it all, but that's the reality. Ghana are buying this guy with that was not devil. We have a government to run. Are you running a government? Are you running a country? Me pacho me
never me na me pe enchiremu kakra me nya lawyer de enti se ana de acha me de kan me nim senka e bia posifo na o maba court na o mbe ba be bokwadu no o mo na be kan kire judge ni say essence we ni a ye hwehwe na ye nwie ye enti no se wugya no a e bia obe interfere enti fa ne hye mu ma ye but unteche mu no kire se we no anko santi die na judge ni gina so de yes a statement no kan say
na yo nyame hwe wano na wunyanse ya wa ade bisa da mu question asam no mota anye oni ti na me the judge no yin gwasin unqualified obey a judge unfettered obey a judge we good judiciary when man. Now, for the first time, I have seen professionalism at play. Now, if Ghana police, man, them who were court, man, them who were police headquarters, the man Obo Koda, Ghana will get somewhere. If the man Obo Kodo, there, we will get to see professionalism in all their actions. The police will be fair. Ghana will go get somewhere.
The atos me no say say abrante na posting for ni bi na ama yakwa akoche no asem fa ne say bia mema posti osahen enfoni bi a e bia yesusu say edimi ni wa mema dwem de say nken no egu hu finti defamatory of you a eno ye civil action enya criminal action anamba
nana yo mpocho nana yo akan law kaka asam na kaka no me sure the judge in Pona or Tegonum on him Damuroyo. Oh, I am mobile. Nana, your share, Mamma Gazamin so. As a Kunoya, I am yo. Now, all the Bina Kawasama, Bin see the Rekara, share. I could father name Fiawachi. Yanum and this for criticize. I could father bang. Yamami Toko no in the where you need to work at the fee. Some of the accusations, minor issues, what they are on your fair. Because let me be ahead of the judiciary, my Lord Bafuboni. That the man the onion grassing chair that one in our criticizing Nana. Zoro Kobi, onion grassing. How can you do this? If I didn't know that the Mokodu war, Ghana. As some of what you wire civil action. You are saying there, sebi, or a criminal action. If you indeed, who were case, sabi nimpana, what didn't for you, we're painting for you the Bisia. But in a democracy like Ghana, the man dimpo, me sure that President Mahama minimum, or should for him for Buffalo. No, what would I do? Emi, President Mahama now, I'm minimum, me sure the ocean for you now, or Buffalo. Why don't people do all manner of things in Kofunya cartoon? In case here. Bazan and Kofun came from home, Bazan and Kofun Troy. It's no, judge nothing. But like I said, I've seen professionalism at play. And I just would want to commend Ghana Police Service. That is all I want to say. Na judge nemu oye ngwasin unqualified obey judge oye ngwasin me compare the obey obenya akukudrumpo there ma criticize ninti you were friend and oba from for contempt na make judge court dey mo ma ke bi atre that is not above the law you know what say Ghana ye ke bi no judges like the judge who presided over the matter today, woman citizens will lose interest in the judiciary. And I'm praying, I am praying that Yankupon Baka, my Lord Bafubon and Akuma. Now I've read the general, read the record of proceedings and reprimand him. I am praying that Attorney General, but Fred, Judge, you know, I request for the record of proceedings. Not the oil that was a trend. Imagine if MPP no wa BAME in the NDC opposition. And at the master me see ya in check. You go to my film room. Yanum NDC for 1 day a warrior. 1 day. Now a member or to the ice blocker was out to win. Or none in no time. A year is gone. Yet.
Dedi kama mamena PENDREAM TV ase. Na so far so good. Say open online portal e wo Ghana. Ah nipa share, nipa follow, nipa comment here. To my best of knowledge, without any biases, PENDREAM TV.